This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I am going to draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 40 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to in this upper way, and it has a extrude boss of 10 unit. Then I'll draw in this upper face. Okay, in this upper face I'll draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of this side dimension of 40 minus 20 unit. So we can say it has a dimension of 20 unit along this side. Okay, and it has the dimension of along this side is 40 unit. Then I will extrude it to in this top side, and it has the extrude boss of 30 minus 10 unit. Then in here we can see we have a by selecting this face, then we can see we have a square shape, and this square shape has a dimension of 20 by 20 unit. Then along this square shape we have another small square shape, and this small square shape has a dimension of 30 minus 20 unit. So this dimension is 10 unit here. Okay, then again in the same way this dimension is 10 unit. After that I will going to extrude boss it to in this upper direction, and it has a extrude boss of 40 minus 30 unit, so it has a extrude boss of 10 unit. Then I will take a reference plane along this side. So the distance from here to here, this reference plane is 10 unit, and from this reference plane I will draw an inclined line, and from that inclined line I will use the rib features to draw this triangular shape. So now let's go to our SolidWorks and make this model. So first of all I'm selecting the top plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. After that select the center rectangle and place the center rectangle to the origin and dimension it to 40 by 40 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 10 unit. So we're going to extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now select this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now you can select the corner rectangle, and we are going to draw a corner rectangle, and this corner rectangle has a dimension of 40 minus 20 unit in the vertical distance, and in the horizontal distance it has the dimension of 40 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and then extrude boss, and this time we have to do it extrude boss of 30 minus 10 unit, so it has a extrude boss of 20 unit. Now press OK. Now select this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle and draw a square, and this square has a dimension of 20 by 20 units, so we're going to dimension it to 20 by 20 unit. Okay, so we have drawn this, and in the same way we have another square in this side, and this square has a dimension of 10 unit along this side, and also 20 also 30 minus 20 unit, so it is also 10 unit. Okay, so we have drawn these two squares. Now we need to merge them. For that I'm going to select the trim entities, so I'm selecting the trim entities and trimming this common line. Okay, now pressing OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 10 unit, and the 10 units we get from by 40 minus 30 units. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for taking a reference plane. For that I am selecting the reference from features to this reference and then plane. Now you select your first reference. I'm selecting my first reference this side. Now flip the offset. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Then select this plane, right right click on it, then sketch, and then normal to it. You can again select normal to it to change the direction. Okay, now select the line tool from here and draw an inclined line by pointing this 2 point. Okay, with this 2 point, draw an inclined line. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now we will going to use the riff feature. Now select this side one, okay, and we have a select the first side, and we have a rip of 10 unit. Okay, and flip the material side. Okay, flipping the material side. Now it going to flip in the inside. Now press OK. So our fillet so our rip has been done. So now we can hide this plane there because we don't need it now. So we are going to hide this plane. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.